How to turn on your Snapchat location. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can turn on your location on Snapchat. Open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you log in, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find on the top left of your screen. Once you open up your profile, you can see that I have opened up mine. Scroll down below, and as you scroll down below, you can find an option called Snap Map, and it says tap to explore Snap Map, enter. Tap on enter and make sure you have turned on your location. Now to enable your location, tap on the arrow icon that you can find on your screen. Once you tap on it, it will ask you to enable your location if you haven't done so already. Now tap on enable location. Once you do it, press skip, and now as you see, the exclamation mark that appeared before on arrow has now disappeared. Now tap on the arrow icon again, and here it will show your location, and now your location has been successfully turned on. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.